UT changed my life for the absolute best.
I personally believe that UT has provided me with so many opportunities that I did not think would be possible.
A lot of what brought me here was that I felt like the people and the resources and all the potential was going to be driven towards a path that was unique to me.
I had a lot of other friends go to other universities, and I look at my experience compared to theirs, and while they had phenomenal programs as well, UT was just something else. It was on a whole new level.
We have absolutely fantastic faculty and a very collaborative spirit on campus.
Having that environment where collaboration is incentivized, where it's fostered and where it's cultivated is really incredibly important to the impact that it's able to have.
The experiences that I got here, the community that I built from current students to alumni, and now those relationships that I've kept after graduation are truly out of this world, phenomenal, and something that I could not see myself getting anywhere else.
The world is looking to us as a place of innovation, as a place of leadership, as a place of thinking beyond our borders and about the world around us.
Employers are looking for students that are skilled and professional, that value their colleagues and can work on a team. And I think students here get that through the classroom and other activities that they're involved in on campus.
I definitely think UT has just, one, given me a family that I can always rely on, and now that I'm about to graduate, just knowing that I'm going to leave here and be able to go into an alumni network wherever I go to, or always come back to UT and feel like I'm a part of home, I think that's definitely something that's huge.
What UT instilled in me is that I could do anything, and that I had a support system no matter where I went and what I did.
UT has given me a lot of selflessness, taught me the importance of not only giving back to my community, but learning how I can bring my unique qualities not to just serve myself, but to serve others as well.